Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to learn about how we create recipes in TIA portal. So let's make a video now. I'm just showing you. I have a screen also called a recipes screen. But first I need to create some tags. So I'm going to show all tags. You will see. There is my HMI tag, and now I'm going to, it is my PLC tag, so I need to create some HMI tag. So let's, I'm using two, I'm using these three tags. You will see KP, TI and TD for our recipes. I'm just poking you because we need to focus only for that. I only created recipes for KP, TI and TD. So first of all we need to go to tags, and I am going to create a new tags which is name is KP, and I am going to return it HMI tag, and I am going to show you that internal tag, and I am going to select that as a PLC tag, standard tags, and I am just making it large. We'll see KP. Now you will see my that tag is created KPHMI, and I need to create another one, and I'm going to name it TDHMI, and I need to directly is connected with our uh, you will see where is our TD here, creating another one, and I'm going to name it TIHMI, and we need to link it with TI. I think our tag has now created. Now I need to go to recipes and enter. I'm going to name, you will see a recipe name, recipe 1. I am going to enter an element. You will see how I now need to create an element. I am going to name it KP. Second element TI. Third element TD. Need to check that it is okay. TD. Yes. So we'll see KP, TI and TD. Here is our tags. Now I'm going to link it with my tags, and HMI tag you will see. Here is our KP HMI, and I'm going to link with TD HMI. I'm going to enter another one and think TD HMI with the TD tag. Not that one is TIHMI, and that is TDHMI. I think that's are going to link. Also I will save into data record. I am going to name it the KP, the TI and TD. I think everything is done. Now I need to go into my recipe screen. You will see it's my recipe screen. Now I just need to drag and drop that. There you will see. Go extract it, and I'm going to need a button, and I'm going to name it save to PLC, save to PLC, and I need to configure that. First of all, I'm going to events, going to press, and all functions. So let's see. You will see save data record to PLC. Yes, I think I need some more buttons, so I search that we also create a new recipe or not, it is available or not. Recipe view, save data record, save as recipe, open. Here that is new data record. New, and I think I need another and we also get data from a PLC, but I think I don't need that. Save as data record. Save as data record. I think that's it. I don't need to show you any other things. And I just now to create another recipe. Recipe means 2. And I'm going to also name it KP TI. So TD. Think I don't need to create tags. And I think that's it. Now I'm going to main and start my simulation to check that our recipe is working or not. First of all, I need to close. I don't need that. I just recipe. You will see. Double click to recipe. I am going to name it to 3. That 1 to 1. I am going to 1. And I'm just. You will see. You will see. We also have that these things. I'm going to save that. Enter recipe 2. You will see new one. 2 1 1 and save as data. I'm going to no, I'm going to create a new one. You will see. Yes. Now I think I have 2 recipes. I'm going to create a new data record. Enter 4. Yes. 2. Yes. 1. Yes. Now I'm going to back. Yeah, you will see there are many data records. Now I'm just save as data. I think my both oh, I have many recipes now. Now I'm just going to click on save to PLC. Going to PLC. Where is the data? I think I need to do one that and click save to PLC. Save to PLC. Save to PLC. And here it is. You will see that our recipe is coming from there to there. I'm going to escape, save to PLC, save to PLC, and save to PLC. Here it is. It is now going to change. I'm going to not one. Going to make it back. Data record number 2. Save to PLC. Here it is. I think not that one. Yeah, there it is. I think you understand how I created recipes, but you will see that in the recipes we also have a buttons there. You will see a new and open, and it is also available in our in our that screens. So I just don't need to create some buttons, but you will see we also created buttons for recipes. So I think that's it. You will easily understand recipes. So thank you very much for watch my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons, and don't forget in the descriptions I give my contact number, WhatsApp, and also link of Ignition SCADA, Indosoft SCADA, and factory IO scenes programming as well. So if you want to learn more, to watch my video. In the next coming days I will make more lectures on many SCADAs and many PLCs programming languages, including Allen Bradley and RS Logix 500 5000, Factory Talk View and WinCC SCADA as well, Factory Talk View SC and ME as well, and many things uh, which is very learning. So thank you very much for watch my video.